What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream every single weekday right here at 5:45 p.m. That's every weekday, sometimes the weekends, but every weekday, absolutely 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time right after ATB. I saw you guys talk. Rob, I think it was you saying, coming from ATB, I know Frankie's going to ask. Let me see who came from ATB, guys. Let me know how DZ treated you out there. Guys, we are pumping. As you guys know, last night I was mentioning that we could get that breakout from the falling wedge, right? That bullish pattern or that bullish bias pattern breaking to the upside about 68% of the time. Told you guys to keep an eye out for that. And we're going to take a look at, future levels that we could be hitting. We already hit one right on the dot. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to take a look at the alts. Where are we going from here? Are we going to pump up to 100K or are we just going to get a dump down from here, go up a little higher, get a dump down? We're going to talk about it. I'm going to let you guys know what you should keep your eye on for potential trades and just to give you guys a little insight on where the price could go from here. But right now we are pumping the DXY. I don't know if you guys have been taking a look at it, but the DXY doing some really Really interesting stuff. We'll check out the SPY as well. And as always, we will be taking a look at your altcoins at the end of the stream, about an hour in or a little more than an hour in. We'll start looking at those altcoins. So if you want to see the alts, hold them off till a little bit later into the stream, and we will take a look at them for you. Just real quick before we get started, guys, just a reminder, we have 3 NFT giveaways. The mods let me know in the Discord today. Shout out to Tyler Durden. Hang on, are we flying solo? Oh no, Tyler Durden's in here. Tyler Durden's always in here. He's always the first one too. He's quick. Tyler Durden is quick. But just a reminder, guys, we are giving away 3 NFTs so far this week. So we just released our VP VR video out on the channel today. So that is the video. You got to watch it, like it, and be a subscriber, and then leave a comment to get entered in to win a Cardano NFT. 3 NFTs will go to 3 separate winners. So you got 3 chances to win. So smash that like button if you guys want to try to get some more giveaways this week. We got over 350 last night. I think we can do it again. For every 100 likes we get, you guys get an extra spin on the wheel and an extra chance for another giveaway. This is, I think, a record-breaking week. I don't think we've ever given away 3. Let's try to make it 5. Can we give away 5 NFTs this week? Let's go ahead and see. So, guys, before we jump into it, let's just go ahead and say what is up to chat. Who do we got in here? Let's see. Already popping off. What is going on, guys? Steve H, what is going on? He says, let's go. Let's go, Steve. Lazarus, what is going on? Jimmy Two Shoes, I got my black coffee here, brother. Salute. Oh, yeah, almost already finished it. Getting kicked on the coffee already. Here we go. Gwil, I don't know how to say your name, but what's going on? Welcome to the stream. Jacob, Rob the Crypto Snob, as always, good to see you, my man. Crypto Billy, as always, good to see you. I got to check on those shirts. I think the assistants might have checked the P.O. box. I got to double check with them. But I'm really pumped to see these. I am very pumped to see these. So shout out to Crypto Billy. Thank you for being here. Crypto Anon, what is going on? Thank you for being here. Appreciate you, Crypto Anon. Black Diamond, what is up? Let's get a few more in here. PJ Han, what is up? Hutmo, what's going on? Shafin T, what is up? Freedom Man, what is going on? Brad, what is going on, Brad? Shout out to Brad. Sky's the limit. Lane Hughes, as always, good to see you, my man. Justin Cross, EXP Show. Sky's the limit. Did we say how do you? Parabolic Party Bus. That is my favorite way to get around the parabolic party bus. You guys got some good names on here. Let's get a couple more last ones. Ryan D, what is going on? Dwayne, what is up? As always, good to see you. Why? What is going on? Hopium, let's go. We got some hopium for you today, that's for sure. Monty AP says, bing bong. What is going on, Monty? Thank you for being here. Young boy, never sell low again. I like that. I like that. What is going on, Jonathan? Pablo, Thomas, David, Gastop, and Rob the Crypto Snob. I think we already said hi to you, but what's up again, Rob? Happy to have you here, guys. What the heck is going on with Bitcoin? We got the Fed meeting. I think it was 50 basis points. Not too bad. Crypto reacting in a positive way. DXY, not so much, but that's good for crypto, so we are happy. So without further ado, guys, let's jump in on the charts and see what the heck is going on with this thing they call Bitcoin. All right, so here we are. Oh, that's a little sneak peek of the DXY. We're not going to get right into that just yet. But guys, we're starting off on Bitcoin here. Not going to take a look at the weekly. Now, just so you know, I just want to be clear. We are pumping. It looks really nice. It's fun. We're going to enjoy it. We could maybe get some longs. We're going to talk about that in a second. Are we looking for longs? Are we looking for shorts? We're going to talk about it. But guys, my mind has not been changed yet. Keyword yet. You have to remember those longer time frames looking pretty bearish. Not impossible to turn around, but we are getting these short-term pumps. So just with that in the back of your mind, we're not going to cover all the bearish stuff. We're going to focus on the pump as it is happening currently. But just keep in the back of your mind, longer time frames still This does not mean we're going to 100K. It doesn't mean we're not going to 100K. But you know, it's not everyone's going to start. You're going to start seeing it. All-time highs incoming. The bull market's back on. Hopefully that is the case, but it's not quite certain yet. But nonetheless, this pump is very exciting. Let's go ahead and start on the 2-day, guys. Finally, as you guys know, we have been looking at the 2-day, right? As the VWAP was approaching that zero line, we are now currently printing a green dot on the 2-day. I told you guys to keep an eye out for this. This could bring us up possibly. Now, I know I was saying I did not have much hope for it. I still don't really know how much hope I have for it. My general idea with this pump, I can actually get rid of that. That was a note for somebody. Now, this could bring us up. It probably will bring us up at least a little bit, maybe a lot of it. Who knows? But, nonetheless, this is bullish. We're getting that green dot on the 2-day, looking pretty good daily, right? Daily VWAP above that zero line. Nice curvature on the daily, starting to come up towards that zero line. Also, not a bad look. 16-hour, printed a green dot, right? When did this happen? This happened a little while ago, but confirmed green dot. We did come up, guys. These green dots on the longer time frames. Granted, you do not want to trade based off of these green dots, but they are somewhat of a signal that you could have a tick to the upside, which you did see right here. And then, so yeah, I mean, you could have saw this on this candle and just been like, okay, we're putting that green dot confirms. And then obviously we got a big move to the upside. 12-hour green dot confirmed as well. Nice little curvature right here on the money flow. If you guys can see that, I just thought for a second I wasn't sharing my screen, but I can see I am. So nice curvature right here. Hopefully we can get this start to come up a little bit more. 10-hour, taking a look. Nice curvature on that 10-hour. Might be looking for a crossover pretty soon here on the 10-hour. Confirmed green dot, like I think that happened yesterday. But nonetheless came up. 8-hour. Nice curvature on the 8-hour, 10-hour, looking nice. 6-hour, curving up right here. Nice curvature on the money flow starting to happen right there. Green dot, happened a while ago. But 4-hour, what are we looking at? VWAP coming down. Money flow starting to flatten out here. We pumped, guys. We had a big pump. Might not be, it's never uncommon to see a little bit of a retrace once you get these big pumps. Now, and as you can see here, we do have our bullish descending wedge formation right here. As we were saying yesterday, this is kind of what, this is basically what we were looking at when I was telling you guys I think we could get a breakout. I was saying that these are bullish bias patterns. They typically break out to the upside. Caught a nice little short from here down to here, as you guys saw yesterday. I took a little profit off the table, and then my stop loss was at entry. Actually, it was a little bit in profit, not much in profit, a little bit in profit, but I wound up getting stopped out in profit in that trade, but no harm done. Still was a positive green trade, so not too shabby. Better than a losing trade. Like I said, we did pull a little profit off the table. But there you go, guys. That is a textbook falling wedge breakout right there. There it is. It plays out, right? And just to retouch on what we spoke about yesterday, guys, levels to watch. Our first level, this high volume node right here at about 39,761 was our first target. If you were able to catch along, I am currently not in any trades, guys. I don't typically... When something like the Fed meeting happens, I typically sit back. You have a lot of volatility that could, go any way. It's very unpredictable when things like this happen. So I sat out on this initial trade. So I did not get this initial pump, but I am sniping out, looking for some good trades coming up here. And we're going to talk about that in just a second. But I did just want to show you guys how, these falling wedges do typically break to the upside. That's just a beautiful textbook falling wedge breakout to the upside. And we came right up, like almost to the dollar, came right up to this level of resistance that we had here yesterday. Would have been a great place if you did catch this long. Would have been a great place to at least take some profits off the table, if not close the entire trade, if you made enough profit. It's always up to your risk tolerance, right? If you get up there and you're happy with that money, you want to pull out, that's never a bad idea. You want to close out the whole trade, take your money and walk away. Never a bad idea. Jump in, grab your bag, and jump out. You could also just close out a part of your position here, assuming that maybe we do flip this level to support and move right back up. Our next level to keep an eye on is 40,804, right? That's the first level up from here. If we do break to the upside, next level, 40,804. It is another high volume node. And then our second level, right? We're just getting right to the title here. Top 2 targets to watch. We do have another level right here at about 42,209 is where I have the line. Now, this could be 42 is probably going to be another area, or even maybe, 41,785. Just this kind of area right here. Let me go ahead and grab a box here. Something around here. Between 41.7 and 42K or 42.2. That is the next level. That is the next level after this one. If we do make it up there, it is possible, because this is the price target. Right up here is the price target for the breakout of this descending wedge, or this falling wedge here. If you measure from top to bottom, right? And you drag it to the end of the breakout. The price target does bring you right up to this level. So can we see that happen? It's definitely possible to get up there. And I will say, based on a few other things like the DXY, which we're going to take a look at in a second here, I think we could have some good, rocket fuel behind this pump. Just being that the DXY is falling so drastically. Like I said, we will take a look at it in a second, but there's your price target right here. 42.2. It's where the price target of the breakout of this falling wedge comes into play. I love when stuff plays out textbook like this, because it just shows you guys that, if you know what to look for on the charts, it could be very, very, very powerful, right? You're just waiting for it to play out. That way you're not entering a trade all wishy-washy based off of really nothing. Another reason why this would have been a good trade to get in on. Now, last night, I did go home and I was keeping an eye on my shorts. Like I said, I took some more profit before getting stopped out in profit. But we came down here. I was thinking about opening along, but just like I said, because of the Fed meeting, things can get a little sketchy. So I don't really like to trade. Granted, if you do catch trades on days like this, the volatility can be crazy. So if you get it on your side, you can make some crazy, crazy gains. But yeah, and another reason this would have been a good trade is you were coming down to support, right? So you have this falling wedge looking to resolve at the end of this pattern at support right now. No technical, I guess this is technically a bullish divergence here as well. So you have the bullish divergence. I don't know if I would really consider, this is just skating by. It depends on if you go to the bodies or the wicks. But if you go body to body here, technically you did come down a tiny bit as your momentum was coming up. So you can call that a bullish divergence in my opinion. Now you had this pattern, this bullish bias pattern coming to an end here, and you were coming down to pretty strong support. So that's a bunch of confirmations to go ahead and enter along. Like I said, I sat out because of the Fed meeting, but I just like to ingrain that in your guys' heads. It's you want to have your levels, whether it's a pattern, a level, anything you're looking at, you want it to come to you. You don't want to chase the trade, right? You want to see things coming. Okay, all right, we're at the end of a bullish pattern. We're also coming down to key support. There's two things that's making me think we might get a bounce, right? Maybe you have a golden pocket there, whatever the case may be. Oh, now I got a bullish divergence. There's another confirmation. And then, this is kind of what can make you enter a trade with confidence. So the beautiful, beautiful breakout out of this falling wedge. Like I said, next level to watch if we continue higher is going to be 40,800. And then next level after that is going to be 42.2, the price target for that breakout of this falling wedge. All right. Okay. Let's go ahead and let's just actually go down to some lower time frames. Let's go to the 15-minute and just really dissect what is going on here. We are just holding on to this high volume node for dear life. It doesn't want to let go. Now let's talk, are we looking for longs or are we looking for shorts? Now, let's take a look at the DXY real quick first before we talk about this. Taking a look at the DXY, guys, look at this. Let's go to the daily so we can zoom out just a little bit. Like I said, guys, another thing you could have kept your eye on to see, if Bitcoin was going to move to the upside. Let's actually come to the 4-hour. So big breakdown, right? As I said yesterday, we were forming these typically when you're making higher lows on against resistance. Typically they break to the upside, but like I always say, nothing happens 100% of the time, right? So broke down from this trend line here, coming right back down to test the support. Now, if you guys remember, I am being careful around here, right? The fact that we've lost, the fact that we have come down this much, we never came out once we broke out of here. Let me grab my brush tool. As soon as we broke out right here, we didn't see a typical retest of the resistance to flip it into support before coming higher, right? We kind of just broke out and came straight up. And then we came down, we tested again, and then now we're breaking down. But now we are testing this area of resistance as support. Are we going to see this? As my arrow freaks out, are we going to see this flip into support and launch us higher? Not impossible, but right now the DXY is dumping, which makes me think that Bitcoin could have, another powerful move incoming, right? And then coming back to Bitcoin, with 12-hour green dot, with that 16-hour green dot, right? With the daily, VWAP above that zero line with the money flow curvature on the daily, as well as the 12 and the 10 hour, right? 10 hour looking pretty good with this money flow, 8 hour looking pretty good with this money flow coming up. I'm thinking maybe we could actually come up a little bit higher, right? So keep an eye on those two price targets. Now, let's talk absolute crazy bullish hopium, right? Now, oh no, is this my, oh, this is, okay, hang on, let me see. Let me go ahead. I think I turned off my other golden pocket. Let's see. No, that is one. Boom. There it is. Okay. So let me just minimize this. So absolute bullish hopium. If we get an absolutely crazy explosive move out of here, where can I see this going, right? Like I said in a lot of past streams, it would be possible. Now we're not there yet. We're talking like, this is very speculative. But if we do wind up breaking these high volume nodes, coming up, flipping this last high volume node into support and continuing to come higher, I do think there could be a possibility, depending, we have to analyze the information when we get there, see how market cipher B is looking, but it wouldn't be impossible to work our way back up to the top of this bear flag, and retest the top of this. Now, this is coming into the 50s. This is where you think you're going to start hearing people start to be bullish now with this little pump we just got. Wait until, if we see this happen, people are going to be going absolutely berserk. And this is kind of, I brought this up on the stream a while ago. We haven't really touched on it. Back when we thought we were going to break up for that relief rally back up to this golden pocket and then finally get a big capitulation down to these summer lows. Maybe that's what we see happen here, right? We thought it was going to happen here. We thought it was going to happen here. We thought it was going to happen here. Is it going to happen here? And the top of this bear flag, depending on how quickly we get there, starts to bleed up against this golden pocket. So maybe we get up here and then get a big capitulation down. And don't forget, this could also happen at these other targets for the breakout of this wedge, right? So if we do, we could also see a pump up to here. We could dump from here, but right now I am thinking it might be more likely to come up a little higher. We could come up here, get a move down, could come all the way up here to the price target of the wedge, and then get a huge dump down from there. It's really hard to say right now, guys. I would say with the way the higher hourly time frames are looking with the money flow, I think we could get a little bit of a bigger pump out. I don't know if this is going to be it. I think we might have more. But absolutely most bullish case, if we work our way back up to this bull flag, we're going to start getting close to this golden pocket. And that is where I'm really going to start looking for shorts. But in the shorter term, let's dissect the price action. I just wanted to give you guys a little moon boy prediction. If we do wind up getting that high, I do think that golden pocket or the top of this bear flag is going to be our next super hard resistance. But we're not there. We're not really even close yet. So let's not get ahead of ourselves. But zooming in a little bit here, where can we be looking for longs and shorts, right? So if you missed this move, don't worry, don't FOMO in. Oh no, hang on, guys. Got to plug in the laptop. I thought I did plug in the laptop. What's going on here? Oh God. Had a little battery adapter disconnection here. Good thing they call me Frankie the IT guy, so I was able to just plug that thing right back in. I can solve all your computer problems, especially the chargers. And I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, guys, so where are we looking for longs and where could we be looking for shorts? Let's come down to the 15-minute and kind of see what price action is doing, right? So just kind of dancing. Now, if we lose this level, I do think we'll probably come down a little bit more. Now, definitely go check out our VPVR video that we just released today. Like I said, you're going to get a chance to win a NFT if you like it and leave a comment and you're a subscriber. Just want to keep kind of hammering that in because if new people come in, they don't know. I like to remind you guys. But let's go ahead and turn on Market Cipher A. No blood diamonds or anything like that. But if we do go ahead and turn on our VPVR, where is it? Why does it keep getting deleted, guys? I'm getting trolled over here. Let me just change these settings really quick. Change this. Bada boom. Okay. So where can we start looking for shorts? Now, as you can see, this is a high volume node. The point of control from the VPVR is right here as well. This is a very strong area, right? If we lose this high volume node, I do think we could, your next stop might be right here at about 39,600, 35,955. this area around right here, you might get a little bit of a bounce. We're actually, I mean, we're very, very close to this level. Yeah, so, I don't know if I'd be getting a short down to there, but I do think, let's turn off Market Cipher A. I would honestly be looking, I was originally looking for shorts off of this level, but now with the way Market Cipher B is looking, I'm kind of just looking to wait for a retest to possibly enter a long. Let me grab my brush tool here. So if we do wind up coming down, you do have this level right here. You can see we have a big volume spike right here. That's where I'm getting that level from. And then obviously, you could even move it to the top of these candles. But you can see we got rejected, right? Popped over, rejected again, and then we finally broke out. So it is possible that we could get a nice little move back down to this level. You might get stuck over here at about 39.2, where you kind of got rejected right here. But mainly I would be watching this level here at about $39,027. About the 39K range. It's never going to hit the line perfectly, although it basically hit this line perfectly. But I would wait for a retest of this area to look for a possible scalp long. Another level you can watch, which would be even juicier if we get a hard dump. Now, I'm not saying, you have to understand, if we come down to this level, it's not just automatically enter a long, right? You're going to want to come down to this level. You're looking on Market Cipher B, right? You're looking for bullish divergences. You're looking for money flow crossovers or VWAP crossovers on the higher time frames, and then trying to find bullish divergences, whether it be on the high time frames or going down to the lower time frames to find that confluence between your time frames, right? So, for example, let's check some of these hourly time frames, right? So if you're getting a money flow crossover on the 8 hour, say, or even let's see the 6 hour, or a VWAP crossover on the 4 hour, right? And then you come down to the 15-minute, you're getting a bullish divergence, and you want to have those confirmations. You don't just want to have this level and just long off that level without any other confirmations. You want to have multiple things saying price is going to go up, right? So you could possibly catch a short down there, but I'm personally waiting for a nice retracement and retest of some key levels to try to find a bounce up. And then another really juicy level, if you can come down, let's grab here. If you do come down to this level, right, and you wind up losing it, and you come down, another great level that could be very strong is if you come back down and test the top of this falling wedge and test it as support. Because as you can see, we really didn't get a full test here as we broke out. We kind of just ripped through it. So if you get a big fall down and you retest this level here on the previous resistance of this falling wedge into support, you could get a really nice bounce there. You also, to have some confluence, you do have a little spike in volume right here, right? So we have that level. So you have the top of the wedge, right? That would act as support. You have this horizontal level with this high volume area, probably going to give you an even juicier bounce. And then if you go ahead and take your fib retracement and go ahead and pull a fib on this thing, you actually can see that your 786 level falls right there as well, right? Confluence. The more confluence, the more confirmations, the higher the probability that you win your trade. So this is just kind of how you guys can find multiple levels of confluence, right? Also, another big level to watch would be this point of control right here, this the area where the most volume was traded, this red line. And then again, if you pull that, fib back out, it is actually a golden pocket as well. So you can watch this golden pocket for a bounce. If you break that, you can look at a retest of this falling wedge for a bounce, and tons of confluence on a lot of these levels. So there's some levels to look out for a bounce, for a scalp long. If you guys missed your entries for this little pump here, what are we doing here? I'm trying to get rid of this line. Can we just get rid of this line, or are we just going to keep... Come on. No? Okay. It's not going to let me. Can I go away? Okay, there we go. So yeah, and then if you guys were looking to enter a short, I would say, again, with the VPVR, you can, if you lose this level there, you can see there's, we have a big volume spike here. And then, a spike here and a spike here. But you'll notice there's a big gap right here, a big black void where there's no volume, right? Or very little volume. So if we break this level and we lose it, we might get a pretty quick fall through this level to test this $39,027 area. So, you know, that might be a pretty quick fall down, but I'm not really a breakout trader. So if we break this line, maybe if it comes down, if you're watching it break down, right, and then it retests as resistance, you can catch that fall down. But I'm really waiting for a retracement to look for longs just because of the way Market Cipher B is looking. Now, in the short term, I do think we're going to find a retracement, just being that if you look at these lower time frames, you can see, you know, even coming down to the 5-minute, money flow coming out, kind of binging and bonging, but generally coming out here. 10-minute starting to cross over into the red. 12-minute starting to come down, looking to cross over into that red. 15-minute money flow coming out. So I think we could cool off a little bit here in the short term. But like I said, 4-hour money flow looking like it wants to come up towards that zero line. Even, you know, 3-hour VWAP coming down, right? So that could be indicative of a cool off. Same thing with the 2-hour and the 1-hour, right? But then the 4-hour, after those cool off periods, you know, that's that 8-hour, right? 8-hour money flow, 4-hour money flow, even the 10-hour looking pretty good. So I would be looking for a little bit of a retrace, but I do think we can pump for a few days here, at least maybe 2-3 days, maybe even 5 days. We can get a nice little pump. But in the back of my head, just so you guys know, like kind of my general thoughts on the market, I am going to look, I'm a trader, right? I'm looking for these pumps. I'm looking to catch these scalp longs. However, in the back of my mind, I know that there are looming bearish signs on the longer time frames that could come and strike at any moment, fake out all the longs, liquidate everybody, and bring them all the way down, or come up, get rejected from these levels and liquidate all these longs, finally getting a breakdown to those summer lows or even the 786 fib level that we have not tested here, and then eventually maybe breaking that and coming down to these summer lows. So there you go. That's kind of my thoughts on Bitcoin. Levels to watch, trades that you could be looking for. And then again, keep an eye, go check out the VPVR video if you want to learn how to use this very, very, very powerful tool. Let's go ahead and check chat. The bit says, Frankie, I hope everything is blessed. Yes, we're feeling blessed today, guys. We're feeling blessed today. And hey, so we had one of our editors today, and they made a really, 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 really cool intro to my streams. So you guys will get the beats, right? You guys will get the beats on the waiting screen, right, with the thumbnail. And then we're gonna start cutting right into a really, really cool intro. I'm super happy with it. It looks awesome, and you get a nice little cool intro. And then I'll come into the stream all epic and such. So very cool. Super pumped about that. Should be on an upcoming stream coming to a Frankie Candles daily live stream near you soon. All right, let's go ahead and check chat. Let's see. Hashtag value, Crypto Billy, Captain Kirk. I appreciate you. Captain Kirk, one of our wonderful mods, and Tyler Durden. Appreciate you guys. Alts should be making a big move. Yes, Hutmo, we're going to be talking about that today in the stream. We're going to be looking at some of the alts. Have you ever seen a bull flag that went the opposite way? Yeah, nothing breaks. Mr. A, what is going on, Mr. A? Or as we call him, Al, on this channel, because we're friendly with our community like that. But yeah, I mean, no pattern breaks out 100% in the same direction every time. Otherwise, if that were the case, if bull flags broke out 100% of the time, never broke down, I would just take out loans and put them on 100x leverage on any bull flag and make guaranteed money. But unfortunately, that's not how it works. But yeah, bull flags could break out in a bearish way. Bear flags could break out in bullish ways. Sometimes crazy things happen. We totally could have seen this falling wedge break out to the downside. That would have been possible. I mean, these only break out 60, I think it's like 67 or 68% of the time to the upside. So probability is on your side, but it's not a guarantee. Let's see. Wait, what? Crypto Billy, I think BitBoy was wearing the shirt I sent you. Was Ben wearing a CandleMafia? Was it a CandleMafia shirt? No way. Billy, I'm going to have to check on that. Interesting. I'm about to pull up his live stream today. I'm going to pull it up right now and look. Interesting. I was not on the live stream today. We did have a special guest on the BitBoy Crypto live stream, so I didn't get to get up there and do my TA as usual, but we will be on there tomorrow. Hey, Frankie, did you accumulate any coins during this dip? No, I did not. No, I did not, because I do believe we are going to come down, even if we get a nice little pump up. There's no real telling how high this is going to take us before coming back down. So no, I did not. No ASMR intro. Wick, maybe we will add a little at the end when it says the music ends and it says Frankie Candles. You'll just get a nice little. Maybe we'll add that in. Let's see. Can we check out Ada? Yes, definitely check out. We'll definitely check out Ada. You the man, Frankie Candles. Jeff, I'm talking to you, brother. I appreciate you, man. Thank you for that. All right, let's see. There was a bullfrog on ETH, but dropped down after the dump today. Chris Higgins, what's going on? Welcome back to the stream. Let's see. We missed you on the live stream today. Chris, I know. I get bummed out, but it's okay. I will be there tomorrow, I believe, unless we have another guest, but I don't think we do. No, man, I was just messing with you, bro. Oh, my God. I was like, did Ben steal the shirts? Oh, my God. Yes, Ryan. Yeah, guys, just so you know, I got to start talking about this more. FrankieCandles.com. Definitely go check out FrankieCandles.com. It is live. It is where we, I have my links in the description for Femex and all that, all the deals that we have to offer you guys. But they are also on FrankieCandles.com, as well as a link to the BitLab Academy. My course is not done yet. It is almost ready to launch. But I will have my trading course in that in the BitLab Academy. I think it's $30 a month. But not only will you get my trading course is only a very small part of the BitLab Academy, a very small part. You are going to learn everything from knowing nothing about crypto to being a complete expert that covers staking, yield farming, trading, TA, basic TA. Basic trading. Now I'm doing the day trading and leverage trading, right? So you're going to learn absolutely everything. I think they have a lot of NFT stuff on there. You learn absolutely everything, and it's constantly updated with new content I believe every month. So definitely go check that out. This guy, that guy that replaced you seemed boring. I'm sure he's a good guy though. I'm not sure. I think they had Forrest from Token Metrics. Very, very good guy. Yeah, we love him. But Hutmo, I see you, brother. Let's see. Crypto Billy, can't wait. Hello, everyone. And Frankie, I'm waiting for you to be my guest. Bobby, Crypto Granny, yes. We will try to work that out. I think you reached out to me on Twitter. We could try to work that out for sure. Hey, Frankie, I'm excited to learn from your course. Hey, Monty, I appreciate that. And hey, if you sign up for the BitLab Academy, you'll get a little Frankie, but you're going to get a whole lot more as well. You guys trying to create beastly traders? Absolutely. We're trying to create monsters out here. Let's see. Could I sign up for your course now? You can't, because it's actually not finished. I still have to record a couple videos, and the videos I have recorded are still being edited, so it's literally not available yet. But it will be available soon. Bruh, still no super chat slacking. Yes. Jersey Army boy. Yes. Shout out to Jersey. But yes, we're waiting on, you have to get an EIN, you have to make an LLC, you have to get a business account, you have to do all this stuff. It's coming. I spoke to TJ. It's always right around the corner. There's some things that we're working with other people. We're relying on other people. So it will be coming soon, though. I am very excited for that. We were talking about some cool stuff we might do with the super chats in yesterday's stream. And I'm very, very excited about that. Frankie brings the sauce to the table. You guys bring the macaroni. I'm bringing the sauce, guys. Sign me up now, Louis the Looper. Let's go. How much is the Academy? I think it is $30 a month. And like I said, that brings you from a complete crypto noob, or even if you're not a crypto noob, but it covers everything from absolute beginner to absolute expert. Very, very, very powerful course. And like I said, updated very often with new content. No, from what I understand, Tyler Ramos will stay in the waiting room, but then before Frankie goes live, there will be an intro video first, if I understand it well. Yes, definitely. Yes, that is, Rob, you got that right. Take my money. Let's go, Uncle Jimmy. Welcome back, Uncle Jimmy. Happy to have you here. It's a process. Patience is a must with anything in crypto. Absolutely. Crypto Anon says $29.99 a month. Thank you for that, Crypto Anon. So BitLab Academy is $29.99 a month. Let's see. Bobby, what's going on, Bobby? And Simon, what is going on? It has signals too. Are you asking if it has signals? I don't know if it has signals. I'm not 100% sure on that. All right. Okay, guys. So let's go ahead and check on the SPY Look at that little bounce in the SPY as well. You know, this was definitely, I mean, it's so funny, right? Like the news that came out of the Fed today, you know, you can't argue that this is, you know, caused a pump in the markets. But it's also funny how, you know, it's like you look at the charts, right? You're at support. You see bullish divergences. You know, you see you're in a bullish pattern that could break to the upside. And then magically, you know, the Fed comes out with news and it pumps, right? Isn't that weird? Like the TA was already there. It just needed that thing to pump it. Very, very interesting. I believe it does through Ray Pulse or something. I seen it in the BitBoy Discord. Oh, okay. All right, Simon, that is news to me. All right. So SPY getting a nice little pop here, guys. As you can see, we lost this support, came down, bounced off this support, kind of got sketchy down here for a while, but now we are popping up over this last support that we broke. Can we hold it is the question. Look at this, not looking too bad. Are we going to see strength come back into these markets? And can we see the DXY continue to fall and move us up with the SPY and Bitcoin? Excuse me. I think it is definitely possible. So yeah, SPY looking to show strength as Bitcoin does. And then let's go ahead and move into Ethereum. I don't really want to bore you guys too much with Ethereum, but it's kind of the same deal here, right? If you lose this level that we're at right now, you know, probably going to be a quick dump down to this level right here. As you can see, there is a bit of a gap in volume. Trying to get this to show a little better. Come on, there you go, right? So you have a little spike here, right? So you're on that level right now. If you break that, you have this big void in volume. So you might be a quick fall through this gap and land right here as you've bounced. And this has acted as resistance a few times, right? And then you have a very strong point of control right here. So I mean, kind of the same deal going on with Ethereum. I don't want to bore you guys too much with that. But let's move on to Cardano. I know you guys were asking, look at it go, baby. Look at it go. Big moves for Ethereum, Cardano. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour. Look at that little popski, guys. A little bit of a popski there. What do we come up here for Cardano? Let's see. Boom. 22%. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Looking pretty good. Good curvature on the 4-hour. This looks like this on a lot of the coins here. Good curvature. Looking for that money flow crossover to bring us up a little higher. So maybe you see something like this happen. Let me zoom in a little bit here. So maybe you see a little rejection, right? You come down, test these levels down here as that VWAP comes below the 0 line. And then as it turns back up, it drags your money flow into the green with it for a bigger move to the upside, right? So that's kind of my thoughts on Cardano. Some levels you can watch. Let's go to the 1-hour. Let me grab my tool here, get rid of market cipher B, bada boom. You know, some levels above you, right? I think you could get a move. You got a nice level right here, as you can see. You know, we'll go right about here, right? So we got rejected, we got rejected, we got rejected, 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 peaked out, rejected, right? So I do think you may get another move, although, you know, you may cool down in the short term, checking these lower time frames. Money flow looks better than Bitcoin on these lower time frames. Yeah, this looks, Cardano looks strong. Cardano looks strong. I would be looking to 95 cents as a next target for Cardano if we can continue to the upside. You know, maybe 94, 95 cents, something like that could be in the cards for Cardano. Keep an eye out for that. I think we could break in into the mid 90s for Cardano. Let's check chat here. May is never a good month for the markets. Good luck to all you bulls. Yes, Jersey Army. That's kind of why, I'm just looking for scalps at this point because it does look like we can pump for a couple of days. But I do think that we could possibly see a big capitulation this month or maybe even next month to take out those summer lows and finally put in a bottom. Hopefully, we don't have to go down and test 20K, the previous all-time high. Hopefully, we don't have to get down there. I think there is a chance we hold 29. We'll have to assess the situation when we get there. Let's see. Did you all see Charles Hoskinson on Fox? No, I did not. Let's see. My mom calls that her crack. I left my coffee black without. Okay. Interesting. I get lost in these chats sometimes when you guys are talking to each other. You guys, I get in there and you guys are talking about like dinosaurs. And I'm like, what the heck? Please, Frank, do FTM and look at why it had a dump, please. Yeah, the bit. We're going to take a look at, we're going to do the altcoin request in just a little bit here. Let's see. Captain, I haven't thought of Crazy Frog in years. Oh my God. Ring, ding, 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 ding. Is that the Crazy Frog you're talking about? That ADA level was support. Not so much resistance. Rejected. Not really 100% sure. Not 100% sure what you mean by that. But yeah, I'm not really 100% sure what you were talking about. The level can be resistance, and then support. You could always flip support into resistance, but little late to the party tonight. LFG Connor Jenkins, what is going on? Thank you for being here, brother. I appreciate you. 279 people in here, guys. Go ahead and smash that like button if you guys want some more spins on the wheel for a chance to win a giveaway. Every 100 likes, you get an extra spin. Don't have the wheel here, but you guys know we spin that digital one, so it's right over there. I promise. We haven't gotten rid of it yet. Let's see. XRP is the future if you have patience, not financial advice. Crazy Frog was, what did the fox say before? What did the fox say? Yes, absolutely. I agree with that. Let's see. There is the VPVR link right there. If you guys want to click that and go drop a comment real quick after the stream, go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment, be a subscriber to enter to win that giveaway. Cardano leads the way sometimes. Very strange. Yes, keep it coming. What is going on? Keep it coming. Just making it. What up, Frankie? What is going on? Keep it coming. Hey, Frankie Candles is going to keep it coming. So yeah, guys, nice little pump for Cardano. Let's go ahead and move on here. GMT. I'm just going to run through some of these alts before we start taking requests, guys. Might end the stream a little bit early tonight as I do have to make that BitBoy Crypto video. So let's go ahead and, yeah, GMT, you know, not as exciting. Yeah, not really. Yeah, not as exciting. But, you know, it was exciting when everything else wasn't exciting. I mean, massive run up. You're going to get a big correction, obviously. Holding this value area low here, though. So not looking too bad for GMT. Let's see. No bullish divergence, really. 4-hour money flow crossover into the red. Actually not looking too good. But you want to hold this level, right? You're probably going to, you know, you might come down to this level right here. Obviously, we got rejected there. Yeah, money flow crossover on the 4-hour. Not looking that great. Could see a potential another move down here. We're going to take a look at the other time frame, see what's going on. Yeah, 11%. Possible. I'll take a look at the 2-hour. Let's see. Yeah. 2-hour money flow in the red. Let's see. 1-hour money flow coming up on the 1-hour. Yeah, I would say 4 hours your bearish case. Really, that 4-hour money flow crossover is not looking that great. But yeah, I would watch that level there at about $2.88 if you get a breakdown out of this value area low for a possible bounce. So keep that $2.89. Gallo looks strong. Captain, taking me back to all my middle school days. Why is it impossible to get into Steppen? I actually just got an activation code for myself yesterday. DZ went ahead and gave me one of his activation codes. Going to go ahead and pick up one of their shoe NFTs and start walking my butt around the block and make some money. They're doing pretty good. Brian from Meta Money, guys, Brian from Meta Money has, he is like rigging the system. He's got a bunch of different shoes. He's renting them out to people. He's making a lot of money. I think he made $800 on a 1-hour walk yesterday. $800 for walking around the block for an hour. Actually, I think he ran. He's doing he's like training for a marathon, I think. So he actually has a running shoe. So he was running for an hour, and he made $800. 1 hour. $800 an hour. Some people don't make that in a week. That's out of control. What a time to be alive, guys. What a time to be alive. A lot of times these things aren't really sustainable over time, right? It's usually the people that get in early on these things that are able to make those gains, and then it gets saturated, the coin dumps, right? But nonetheless, 1 hour, $800. Okay, I'm done. Anyway, I can get a code. I can't get a code to save my life. Uncle Jimmy, listen, I'll try. Now that I'm going to be doing it, I think you get a certain amount of codes for walking, right? So if I wind up getting codes, I'm going to give them away to you guys, obviously. So if I get codes, you can bet your bottom dollar that I am going to give them away to you guys. So yes. Diamond Sauce, what is going on? Let's see, $800 Let's get it. Steppin app is the new one, Frankie. I've thrown 2 G's. It's Step app is there's another one. Oh God, guys, get ready to make money for doing nothing. This is great. What a time to be alive. I love it. However, you do need the brains to figure out how to actually make a lot of money doing these things. It's the people that focus and try to really figure out the game that make the money. But nonetheless, I mean, you can make less money and just buy one shoe, walk around the block, make like 40, 50 bucks, something like that. Get a couple Solana every week, make a few Solana, not too bad for walking around the block. And they can't rug pull. I don't think it's a rug pull, guys. I'm just saying this as a joke. They can't rug pull your physical gains, right? So you're out there getting all fit and lean, right? They can't rug pull the physical gains. So, Frankie, does Steppin sound sustainable? It's expensive, the NFT. Yeah, the NFTs are like $1,200, I think. I mean, for the time being, yeah. But I mean, who knows how long it'll last? Let's see. I've been given a code. So much news coming from the Ripple case right now. SEC gonna be eating our dust. Wick, let's go. I can wait another 5 years, but we're gonna settle when judge forces those Hinman emails. Yeah. Hopefully we don't have to wait 5 years, but we'll see. I'm not selling. That is one coin I'm not gonna sell. I can't miss this one, lol. Missed Steppin at 10 cents. So I'd rather die than not be in. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, Lane. Yeah, 13 Solana floor price. A new level of confidence and power. Let's go. They need pajama NFTs to get paid to sleep. Hey, Ri-Fi. What's going on, Ri-Fi? Shout out to you. Yeah. Hey, I'm not going to be surprised if there's an NFT you can buy that tracks your sleep in an app and then you get paid for it somehow. We're going to track your heartbeat, and your heartbeat is going to be mining for us or some crazy stuff like that. It doesn't seem too far out of the realm, right? 2 years ago, if you told me you could make $800 walking around the block, I would have literally walked away from you and not said a word. But granted, guys, Brian's making a lot of money. You can make that kind of money. Obviously, he is making the money. But he's working hard at it, right? There's a lot you have to figure out. He's finagling things, right? He's renting out shoes. He's treating it like a business, in my opinion. It's kind of how I feel. He treats it like a business. Brian's a really smart guy. So the smart ones that focus and really try to figure out the game are the ones who make that money. And hey, you could even randomly mint in like an epic shoe that's worth a lot of money. So you always have that chance too. So very, very interesting. Steppin's very interesting. We have to be patient, but not that patient. The judge wants this case done before Christmas this year. Okay, hopefully, Rob. Let's see. Filing patents right now. Yeah, but good luck getting an activation code. Michael Scott, I will. Like I said, I did download Steppin the other day. If I get codes, I will be giving them away to you guys. Probably in the same way I give away the NFTs. We'll pick random winners, and I'll give you guys the code. I think they should give people, if I give you a code, I think that the person that gives you the code should get a small royalty of whatever the other person makes that got the code, right? How cool would that be? Kind of like how they have the royalty. You could do royalties with NFTs. Why not do it in Steppin, right? I give you a code and you make 2 Solana. Give me like 0.3 or 0.2. Like, then that way you could build a team under you. And then this is kind of starting to sound like a Ponzi scheme now. I'm just kidding. All right, guys. Let's go ahead And yeah, let's go ahead, throw your alts in there. Let's make a list. Like I said, I think I'm going to jump off a little early tonight. I'm getting bombarded with videos. I've got BitLab Academy videos. I have a BitBoy crypto video to do, and I have this KuCoin video, which is very intricate. So I do want to try to get out of here a little bit early tonight so I can finish organizing that script so I can have all the information ready to make the best video I can tomorrow. So go ahead and throw your alts in here. Let's start looking at the alts. And yeah, let's go ahead and do some analysis. Guys, hydration. Today's hydration is brought to you by Grapefruit Buble. Grapefruit Buble, guys. Pinky up. I don't do that because I'm fancy. I did that because I broke my hand one time and my pinky just sticks. I mean, I can put it down, but it just naturally kind of pops up. Don't break your hands. You need them. And it's annoying to have a cast on your wrist for 6 weeks or whatever it was. Let's see. Can you take a look at Flow, Gala, PYR? Yeah. I could have told you PYR was coming. It's not a pyramid scheme. It's multi-level marketing. Haha, Brad, that's right. Hey, listen. People make money with MLMs. Listen, I've always kind of had an entrepreneurial mindset, so I've been through my fair share of MLMs. You can make money, but the thing is they kind of scam you with the way they sell it. They kind of act like you're selling a product, but you're not. You're selling the business to other people, right? So you're just like, you're selling the product to people and then trying to convince them to also sell it, which was kind of like, you know, first MLM I got into, it was like, oh, it's really good products. And I was like, oh my God, these are awesome products. I can sell the heck out of these. And then it was like, oh, but you have to get the person to sign up to sell them. And it's like, you have to pull that information out of the person selling it to you. They're very wish-washy about it. So, but people make money in MLMs. But that's right, not a Ponzi scheme, an MLM. All right. Brad beat me to it. Okay. Let's take a look at Gala, guys. Where is it? Gala. Little popski for Gala. Working our way back up towards that 18-cent level that we lost, that precious 18-cent level. Let me get rid of this line. I don't even know what this line is. Whoa, what are all these lines? I don't even remember where these are from. We should probably go ahead and redraw some of these lines. But yeah, let's go ahead and start on the daily for Gala. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look. So daily money flow starting to curve up. You did confirm that green dot. Got a little popski there. Let's go ahead and check the 12-hour. 12-hour. Yeah, money flow starting to come up. Nothing too crazy. VWAP looking pretty good. 8-hour. Starting to curve up. Kind of the same deal here. Yeah, 4 hours got nice curvature, working our way up. I do think that VWAP is probably going to come down before the money flow, so you might kind of bounce around a little bit, maybe move sideways / bearish a little bit before that money flow comes back up and brings you higher. But that 18-cent level is very, 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 very strong. Where is it? Right about here. Let's get that level back. So that 18-cent level is very, very strong. That is the level where we probably will see a decent amount of resistance, as we are finding some resistance right here. But if we could get back over that 18-cent level, I do think we can get some higher moves up. But like I said, I don't know how sustainable this Bitcoin pump is going to be. Like I said, I mean, you guys saw, we talked about Bitcoin price targets, where we think it can go. But there's really no telling, like we could reject off of the high volume node we're at right now. But if we don't, we can come up to the next one. We could easily reject down from there, right? But I do think we can come up a little more, but there's really no saying how high. But your next level of really strong resistance is probably going to be this 18-cent level here, as we were holding it for quite some time. And that is for Gala. Take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour money flow crossover. VWAP coming down. So like I said, you might cool off a little bit before, you know, continuing higher. So VWAP might come down. You'll cool off. Money flow will kind of waver. And then the VWAP will come up and hopefully pull that money flow deeper into the green. Let's check the 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, all these coins are basically at the same setup. They have a big rip up and they're all just kind of sitting up here with a few red candles. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So yeah, I mean, I would say, yeah, you could come down maybe to this level, right? You could get a cool off, come down, retest this level, but you're going to be looking for bullish divergences on Market Cipher B to get a possible bounce off of this level. If you break that level, you'll probably be coming down closer to this point of control down here at like 14 cents. But yeah, or maybe a little higher, maybe, yeah, about 14.3, about 14 cents, I would say. But this general range here, right? Boom, between this white line and this red line, somewhere in here, you would probably find some support. Definitely at that point of control, though, because that is a very high volume area. But there you go. There's Gala creeping up towards that 18-cent level. Not looking too bad. So many opportunities. Frankie Candles brought to you by Death Wish Coffee. Slurp. Death Wish Coffee. Interesting. I've never had Death Wish Coffee. All right, let's see. Frankie needs a refill on that cold coffee. Jimmy Void, can you help the Jimmy Void, can you help the Don out? Jimmy Void, I might need some new cold coffee, bro. Jimmy Void's always got your back. All right, let's see. Someone's making some bank. That's right. Watch the market start to tank. Hey, Sam. I think it's incoming. I think it is incoming. Even if we continue to pump. I mean, our community is real good. Our community is, because you guys are here every day, so you guys know kind of what we talk about. But, people who kind of just, like, see the thumbnail, they'll like, leave comments like, hey, man, I thought we were going into a bear market. Look at us now. We're pumping. And I'm like, yeah, I called that pump on last night's stream, if you watched the stream. But, unfortunately, you get some people out there that just look at, I think they just look at the thumbnail and they don't even watch any of the video. And they just like, okay, what's this guy thinking? Thumbnail. Oh, okay. It's like, it's pretty funny. But let's see. Rob going to monetize the coffee and beer servings. All right, let's check out UFO. Let's see. UFO tether, looking good. All right. Starting off on the daily for UFO, absolutely. Let's bring on Market Cipher B. Daily green dot, not a lot of information here, but daily green dot. A lot of these alts are going to look very, very similar. 12-hour, yeah, money flow coming out. 10-hour, yeah. Look at those two yellow X's play out. Boom. But you're getting a nice little pop here. Money flow coming up on the 10-hour. Nothing to really write home about, but let's check that 6-hour. 4 hours probably looking pretty good. Yeah, nice rounded curvature right here. Look at that. Whoop. Curving up towards that 0 line, not looking too bad. Next stop, probably going to be this level here. Right about here. Boom. Get a nice ride up. Not much in your way on the way up for a 13% pump on UFO. Interesting. I wonder if they have this on leverage on KuCoin. Interesting. Yeah, I think you could probably make a move back up to this level here at about 0.00000000604. I don't really know how many zeros that are. I'm not going to count them. But yeah, I think you could move up to this level about right here to look for a little bit of a bounce. But yeah, your VWAP starting to round off. I think you might cool off a little bit before that move up comes. But yeah, 4 hour nonetheless, not looking too bad. 3 hour looking pretty good. Yeah, even the 2 hour looking like it wants to cross over. 1 hour had a crossover. Yeah, not looking too bad. But yeah, not a lot of volume here. Like I was saying, you guys see this big gap in volume right here, this big empty space. A lot of times what happens with price action when you have a big gap in volume is you'll get a quick move, right? So you see if you got big gap in volume, and let's see what happened right here. Boom, you fell right through that area pretty quickly, right? So if you break this level here, you could have a big shoot to the upside, right? But you do have that resistance right here at 0.000000604. So keep an eye out on that for UFO. All right, let's see. We gonna muscle up. Let's get it. Coffee is on, baby. Jimmy Two Shoes, let's go. Bronx Bitcoin Bulls, let's get it. Like a clown? Funny how? Like I'm a clown? Like I'm here to amuse you? Good old Joe Pesci for you guys there. Old Joe Pesci. It's more like funny how? Like a clown? Great movie, guys. Great movie. All right. Let's see. Is there a coin that can pay you to drink coffee? Listen, who knows? In a couple years, they're going to be paying you to do everything, is what it seems like. Let's see. Thumbnails for the streets, TA for the balance sheets. Let's go. Caffeine. What are the chances of that? We're talking about coffee, and we see caffeine in chat. Look at that, guys. We always got caffeine in chat and caffeine in the studio. Jimmy Two Shoes, the coffee is on, my man. The coffee is on. Nice Pesci. Thanks, Brad. Not an actor, guys. Actually, funny story, guys. Real quick, before we get into Algo, we'll take Algo next. Guys, I was in a movie with Peter Dinklage, actually. If you guys know Peter Dinklage from Game of Thrones, this sounds like a troll. I was in a movie with Peter Dinklage before he was super mega famous. I met him. I was actually not even supposed to. I was a stand-in and actually wound up making it into the movie. And I had one line, and it wasn't even a speaking line. It was me shaking my head. I was about 11 years old. It's pretty hilarious. It's pretty hilarious. Maybe we'll put it on the wheel. Frankie shows his 2 seconds of fame in a movie with Peter Dinklage. Possibly. I don't even know if I'm saying his name right. But yeah, I was in a movie with Peter Dinklage. That is a fact. And I can show you guys that clip. Maybe. It's kind of embarrassing. I'm really young in the video. Really young. It was back in my blowout days when I had the Pauly D haircut. You guys saw those pictures. Yeah, can't believe I showed those on the internet. Cannot believe. Paid to breathe. Yes, absolutely. Yeah, no way. Haha. Let's see. What film? It was actually a remake of an old film called The Little Fugitive. It was not like a huge blockbuster or anything. But Peter Dinklage was in it, and he went on to do great things, as Frankie Candles did. I used to be Frankie Candles, the extra in movies. Now I'm Frankie Candles, the TA master. Let's see. Maddock, we'll take a look at Maddock. Was you wearing a hat in that movie, Frankie? No, I was not. I was sleeping in a bed. And the main character wakes me up, and I look at him, and I shake my head. Beautiful performance. They were going to nominate me for an Oscar, but I think Leonardo DiCaprio took that one. That's not true. Leo just got his first Oscar recently. Let's see. Better than ASMR Lane. Yeah. You were a stand-in for Peter Dinklage. You must be twice his height. No. I wasn't a stand-in for him. I was a stand-in for the main character of the movie. Believe it or not, Peter Dinklage was not the main character. It was some kid. I think his name was Nick something. Shout out to that guy. Yeah, he's a nice kid. Let's see. Frankie Candles is the underboss of the Candle family. His dad is the Godfather. The mods are Frank's capos, and we are the agents. Yes, absolutely. All right, guys, let's take a look at Algo. So as you guys know, Algo had a huge move based off of that FIFA news that it got, right? It was the official crypto sponsor of the 2022 FIFA World Cup. So we got that big giant pump. That was based off of that news, right? Big old correction down, finding support on this point of controls, high volume area, and starting to move back up here. So not looking too bad. Coming over to the daily, it kind of just all looks the same. I mean, when you're looking at alts, a lot of times they do look the same with the exception of a few, right? If Bitcoin's going up, the alts go up. I said that yesterday, right? The alts were set up to dump if Bitcoin continued to dump. But then I said, if Bitcoin decides to turn around and we get a massive pump, all this stuff could be invalidated and we can see everything sweep to the upside and the alts will follow, right? Everything basically follows Bitcoin. Sinking tides or rising tides raises all ships, right? So you kind of think of that with Bitcoin. But nice little bounce here. Let's see. Green dot, money flow starting to curve up on the daily, coming down to the 4 hour. Money flow crossover on the 4 hour, actually looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and let's go see what we're working with here. Yeah, I mean, whew. Yeah, oh, baby. Yeah, I mean, if you could break back above this point of control here, with this money flow crossover, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. It doesn't look bad with that 4 hour money flow crossover. 2 hours probably in the green. Yeah, 2 hour money flow crossover. Nice little trigger wave here. And with it, before you got that nice little pump up. 1 hour. Money flow crossover. VWAP coming down, so you might cool off a little bit. Maybe you bing bong around a little bit. Come down, test this a couple more times before coming up. But yeah, you know, Algo not looking too bad with that 4-hour money flow crossover. What's the 8-hour looking like? Yeah, 8-hour creeping up towards that 0 line. Yeah, not looking too bad for Algo. Let's see. Someone did that Pesci bit to me in a restaurant once, and to look cool in front of his girl, and he even smacked me. Then I beat the hell out of him in the parking lot in front of his girl. Freedom, man. I hope that is a true story. That would be hilarious. Funny how? Funny like a clown? Boom! And then you meet him out in the parking lot and really beat him up? That's funny. Shout out to that guy. Shout out to that guy. Pray for him. Pray for him. Number 3 BTC holder address has bought again. If you back test his buys and sells every so often, he times the market perfectly every time, so he should be headed up. Yeah, Lane, I do think we could come up from here for sure. Proud owner of a CC85 Combat, best 9mm I ever fired, together with the 1911. But those are one bull market away from buying. I actually have a 1911. I don't know how much we could talk about that. I don't think YouTube likes it, but I got one of those. A little Springfield Armory. Thing's bad, but the thing's really cool. I love it. I love it. It's black. It's purty. It's real purty. Anyway, is it true? I felt bad, but he deserved it. Listen, if he smacks you in the face, you got nothing to worry about, man. I mean, I don't know the actual situation, but if some random guy just came up to you talking like Joe Pesci and smacked you in your face, can't say I wouldn't have done the same thing. Check his sells. They are very high. Okay, interesting. Those wallets move. Don't necessarily mean buy or sell. Could just be moving. Yeah, that is good point, Simon. Good point. Love you, Frankie. I'm late today. Did I miss anything good? Daddy Zach, not too bad. You missed like a little bit of BTC analysis, some altcoins, and a Joe Pesci impression. Nothing too bad. Nothing too bad. All right. 262 people in here, guys. Thank you for being here. Smash that like button. Let's get it up to 300. Let's get it up to 300 today. I think we can do it. 226 so far. I think we can crack through that 250 resistance right up to 300. I think we can do it. Beat down for sure, Crypto Billy. All right, let's go. Let's take a look at Dome. I don't even know what Dome is. What is Dome? Let's see. Oh, it's Everdome. Okay. I guess we'll look at the OKX. Okay, yeah, this will work. All right. 4 hour. Woo, look at this. Bing bong. Let's see. Here, let me give you guys a poll. Will we pump to 46K? What is that? What's the top of this bear flag? Let's see. What is this? This is 51. All right, you know what? We'll call it 42. We'll call it 42. Are we going to get to the price target of the breakout of this falling wedge? Will we pump? Let me know what you guys think. Hit that poll up. Will we pump to 42K, the price target of this descending wedge, right, or falling wedge? Are we going to pump up there, or do you think this is going to be a fake out? We're not going to make it up there. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think. All right. First time here from the BitBoy Show. Bing bong, like and sub for you. Here to stay. Hey, Mikey J. What's going on, Mikey? Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. I appreciate the sub, and I appreciate the like. Welcome to the CandleMafia, where I show you how to make money trading the crypto markets, whether the price is going up or down. Believe it or not, you can make money while it's going down. You saw me do that on a stream yesterday. Anyway, good metaverse play for the future run. Your chai tea with cream on. The go then. Can we check out? Okay. All right, let's see. What were we looking at? We were looking at Everdome. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, 8-hour money flow looking pretty good. VWAP coming down though. 6-hour. Yeah, VWAP's coming down on these higher hourly time frames. Probably going to cool off a little bit here. Maybe you see something like this happen. You might come down, bounce around, maybe test this area again before coming up, breaking out, landing on top, and moving up. Possible levels above you. Maybe right here. Yeah, a little bit of volume there. Maybe even right there. Let's see. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, you might make some stops along the way. Yeah, you might get snagged up here at about almost 5 cents. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Let's go to the 2 hour. Let's see here. Yeah, I mean, money flow crossover on the 2 hour, not looking too bad. Yeah, I mean, the 1, 2, 3, and 4 hours look pretty good. 6 hour curving down a little bit. 8 hour looking pretty good. Yeah, I mean, these things look like the money flow wants to come up to the upside and get a little pump here. Also, guys, just in defense of this pump as well, you want to remember that we came down a lot, right? Like, you need pumps when you dump, right? Like, we came down, how much was this? We came down 22%. So things are pumping. Like, this is kind of to be expected, like, to get a little relief after coming down almost fully. Other than this, like, you're basically just coming straight down for 22%. You're bound to see some kind of bounce. So just another thing, like just remember to check basic price action, right? To have a move 22% and then just break right through this may have not been the most likely situation. But to come down here, get a little relief pump, right? To come all the way down to this key level of support and then get a little relief pump, whether it be up to here or maybe even up to here, and get a dump down is a little more likely. 22% down, you're bound to see some things start to turn around, even if it is for the short term. But yeah, I bounced around to test an area once, got me arrested. Oh God, you guys are good. Rob, you're funny. The more imminent question is, will Asian markets take profits and dump price when they open in an hour or so? Possibly. We'll have to see. First day watching your vids. Learned so much already. Can't wait to watch more. Ben Evans, welcome to the CandleMafia, man. You are in the right spot. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Smash the like for your boy, Frankie Candles. I will show you how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. So welcome to the family. Welcome to La Familia. Sent the super chat in ATB, reminding everyone of your showtime, Frankie, sharing the love. Crypto Billy, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate that. That means a lot, man. Thank you. Shilling out. Maybe that's why we got a few new people in here today. I appreciate you. Crypto Billy, you're a real one. You're an OG. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you, brother. Okay, let's move on. We got Algo. Let's take a look at Illuvium. ILV. Taking a look at ILV, guys. A little ILV. Let's go here. Bada boom. Okay. All right. Let's see. All right. On the daily, got your green dot. Money flow coming up towards that 0 line. Not looking too bad. Checking the 4 hour. Looking good. It's the 1, 2, 3, and 4 hour. A lot of these coins that look good. You're in the green a while. You've been in the green here for a while on the 1 hour. But looking pretty good. Coming up 2 hour. Money flow crossover on the 2 hour. 3 hour looking crossed over. 4 hour looking for a crossover on the 4 hour. So yeah, looking for that crossover on the 4 hour. If you do get the crossover, I think you can come back up to this level, around right here where we got rejected, where we got rejected right here. Where would that bring you for Illuvium? Boom, boom. Yeah, about 426. About 4% up from where we are here. That 4 hour money flow could easily bring you up there. So not looking too bad. 6 hour, yeah, not looking bad. 8 hour, yeah, I mean, money flow is generally coming up on a lot of this stuff. So looking pretty good. Let's see. Let's moving on here. Bada boom. Let's see. Bada boom. Bitcoin daily closing in 1 minute. Let's see it. Let's see the daily close. Did we miss it already? Oh, baby, we got 59 seconds, guys. We got 59 seconds. Oh, boy. Here we go. Bada boom. Thank you for at least someone being there for us fools. Diamond Sauce, you're not a fool, Diamond Sauce. Let's see. What should we check next? Zill? Yeah, let's check Zilliqa. Matic, FTM, and they flow in. The altcoins flow in. Let's see. Let's just, yeah, I mean, we're going to close. Daily is going to close. What's going on here? What's going on here? Bring that back. Let's turn it off. Yeah, let's see what Bitcoin's doing. There we go. Losing the, oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. There you go. There you go. Looking like we're losing. Looks like we're losing that high volume node. Looks like we are losing that high volume node. Let's go to the 15-minute. Yeah. Let's see. Woo, baby. Yeah, I got a little volume here. Boom. Let's see. Let's see. Yep. Yeah, I mean, I still think you could come down and test this. If you do, what's Market Cipher A saying? Yeah, I mean, if you lose this, I think you could come down and test this level. I do think you can. Bada boom. Could be possible. Could be possible. $5. I say he's not making the list today. All right, let's. Oh yeah, let's see this daily close. I mean, there's really nothing to see here. It's gonna close right where it is. But yeah. Oh no, in 1 minute? No. Daily close is actually in 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. We got 1 hour for the daily close. Can you please do dash? I'm in traffic. Currently taking my bath while I'm learning TA in here. Wouldn't miss it for the world. Let's get the sauce. Christine, thank you. That's commitment right there. Make sure you don't drop your phone in the water, though. Unless you got a life-proof case on it. Or a new iPhone. I'm pretty sure they're waterproof now. But anyway, I put in a short. Ryan, what's your entry? Let me know your entry. We'll put a little marker on here. We'll keep an eye on it for you. We'll check it before the end of the stream. All right. I still have Hopium. BG, hey, I think we can pump. I think we can pump. Let's check. I think we can pump. I think we can pump. All right, let's check Zilliqa. Zill, baby, Zill. Check KuCoin. Oh, yeah, a little Popski. All right, let's see. Money flow start, I mean, generally coming down, but you're curving up here. VWAP crossover, got the green dot. 12-hour green dot. Money flow curvature, very nice. Look at these pumps are great. These pumps are great. I love it. Let's see. Yeah, boom. Okay, not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. All right. Yeah, 10-hour, not looking too bad. 6-hour. Yeah, I mean, the longer time frames or the medium time frames, yeah, like nice curvature on the 4-hour. Yeah, I mean, things don't look too bad, especially on these higher hourly time frames. Yeah, 2-hour crossover, 1-hour crossover. Yeah, you're moving. You're moving. You're moving. Hitting a little resistance here. Probably gonna get a little retrace off that resistance. Doing my side hustle while listening. So you have a job, a side hustle, and you're learning how to trade. That's what I call hustle. Let's get it. Let's get it. Love that. Frankie, never hear you talk Ultra or Wilder World. Well, you can check on Wilder World. One thing I do want to check on, guys. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, total market cap. I do. Yeah, so this had me a little shook yesterday. I will say, Blood Diamond on the total market cap here had me a little bit shook. Yeah, this was also kind of making me think yesterday when I was looking at the charts. I saw the confirmed Blood Diamond on the total market cap on the 4-hour. Kind of gave me another reason. Like I said, I did sit out on this possible move up just because I don't like to trade on the Fed meeting days just because things can get crazy. But this was also kind of making me feel like, I don't know if I wanted to get in, but we are pumping. So, yeah, this is, I would say, probably invalidated at this point. Man, I do that daily. I get no respect. Diamond Sauce, you deserve all the respect, my man. I'm at work too. Wagey trying to break the cage. Trying to break the cage. Let's go. All right. Naturally always going 10x leverage because of your videos. Ryan, throw a little 10x on it. Throw a little 10x leverage on it. I typically trade with between 3 and 10x. 3 and 5 is a little less risky. 10x starts to, I'll do 10x if I'm really confident or if it's a really short-term trade and I'm sitting there staring at the chart. But I usually use that 10x because it's not crazy high leverage, not super crazy high risky leverage. But it's also really easy to do the math. As you guys know, I'm really good at that 10x math. But yeah, just easy, like a 5% move would be a 50% move. So that's kind of why I say it, but I do trade with 10x often. You deserve all the respect. I was just joking. Thanks, hashtag CandleMafia. Let's go, Jonathan Schaefer. Appreciate you being in here. You think we will pump more or go back down? Lucas, I think we could have a few, I think we have a few more moves here. I think we could pump for a little bit. Probably gonna have a short-term turnaround. Probably gonna turn around in the short term just to get a nice little correction. I will be looking for scalp longs. Catching the end of the stream. Let's go, Jonathan Schaefer. Shout out to Jonathan Schaefer. Let's get it. 255 people in here, guys. 266 likes. Let's run it up to 300. Like I said, probably gonna run out of here in just a few minutes. Can we get 300 likes in the next 15 minutes? Let's rock. Let's rock. Okay. Of the blue collar work with crypto. Let's go, Brandon. Brandon, I didn't even mean to say it like that. Berelden, shout out to you out there hustling. We got a bunch of, listen, if you're in my stream, chances are you're a hustler. And that's what I like. That's what I like. These are my kind of people. These are my kind of people. You go to work, you get off, you go home, and you work on something else. You get done with that, you're in bed, you're on your phone, you're learning something, right? Hustle, hustle, hustle. You will get somewhere by hustling. Remember, hard work beats talent, right? You can always outwork talent. That is for sure. Just stop by to like the video. Enrique Suave, I appreciate you. I appreciate you, my man. Then Frank's really mad at me. Hasn't said hi yet. Oh my God, Tony D, what is up? Oh, I put 10x on everything. Shout out to Tony D, our other wonderful mod. Just popped up. I must have been in here for a while. I did not see. I'm not mad at you, Tony D. I'm not mad at you. I love you. Just didn't see you there. He's mad because I stole all of his seed phrases. Yeah, Tony D hacked all my seed phrases and he took all my Cardano NFTs. So now you're going to have to get your Cardano NFTs and the giveaways from Tony D. Thank you, Jesus Christ. Yes, we always thank Jesus Christ. Never not working. Hashtag never not working. Brad, let's go. Let's go. All right. Let's move on to some more of these alts. Let's see what we got. Let's take a look at Vulcan Forge, PYR. That is not what we wanted. We wanted, oh, that's why we're not on crypto. We got to go to crypto. Okay, there we go. Boom. Taking a look at Vulcan Forge. Not on the 6 minute. Let's go to the daily. Looking the same as everything else. Not even going to talk about it. Let's check the 10 hour. Yeah, I mean, everything really looks the same on all these alts for the most part. Curvature, 4 hour, looking like it wants to cross, getting closer to that 0 line. 3 hour, 2 hour looking good. 2 hour looking good. 1 hour looking pretty good. VWAP coming down, but that money flow is looking healthy on Vulcan Forge. You are coming up to resistance here. If you break this level, I do think you can move back up to this resistance right here at about $11.18. Maybe you get a little something like this. VWAP coming down. Maybe you just bing bong around, right? And then you break out. Boom. Then you come up and test this level. Definitely possible. Let's see. Let's see. Hola, Tony D. Frankie, I got liquidated on FTM from 91 to 79. Then I got liquidated again to 69 or something like that. I caught a falling knife. Please, Frankie, tell me what I did wrong and what I ignored. The bit, a lot to unpack there. Try not to catch the falling knives. Make sure you have your key levels set, right? You don't want to get liquidated, right? And then, right, if it's coming down, you try to long, you get liquidated, and then you just try to jump into another long, you're catching that falling knife. you want to have your key levels. Find some golden pockets. Find some high volume areas, right? So find some high volume nodes. Get those key levels and then wait to come down to those levels and just wait for price to hit those levels and then find confluence. Are you finding confluence? How many confirmations did you find before entering the trade? Were you just entering based off one thing? Maybe add some more confluence, right? Some more confirmations. Is there a bullish divergence? Like, what are you trading off of? There's a lot that goes into that. If I had a little more details, I'd be able to give you a better explanation. But there's some things you can double check on. Also, what leverage are you using, right? Also, if you want to avoid getting liquidated, throw those stop losses in there, right? Set your stop losses so you don't get fully liquidated on your trades. Always a good move. Frankie, I'm long 37.6. I'm going to ride this one up. Let's go, AZ. Let's go. Like I said, I think we could retrace, but I think we could move up after that. I don't even remember my seed phrase. It's in a location no one will ever find. No, chemistry, bro. You're good, brother. You're good. All right. Reef. Let's check Reef. Reef Tether Binance. Reef Tether Binance. Little Buble. All right. Turning off Market Cipher A. Boom. All right. Let's see. Daily. Looking at the daily. Let's check it out. Daily looking the same. Yeah, all these alts look the same so far. I mean, I'm not gonna beat these. Yeah, this looks the same. As far as Market Cipher, they look the same. Let me just go straight to some levels you can watch. Let's see. Let's go to the 4-hour and find some levels. Bada boom. Yeah, I mean, yeah, let's go to the 2-hour maybe. Come on. There we go. Yeah, I would say let's pull a fib. Let's go to the daily and pull a fib on this thing. Bada boom. Yeah, it's like impossible. All right. Well, let's just go down to the 4-hour, turn back on our BPVR. So you do have a point of control right up here. I mean, you're probably going to have some stops along the way. I would say, I mean, you do have a level right here. This is pretty strong. Boom. You got support, support. Yeah, resistance, resistance, resistance. Then it was support. So yeah, I mean, let's see. Yeah, I mean, watch 8 cent or 0.008 but you might have another stop. You might have some stops along the way, but that is a pretty strong level there. And then your point of control right up here at about 0.009. But yeah, there is Reef. Kind of difficult to do this one. But basically looking the same as far as Market Cipher, looking the same as all of the other alts. But 2 years in, just sold on pump to free up more USD. Let's go. Let's see. Yeah, best advice for not getting liquidated would be to set a stop losses the very second you open the trade. Yes, absolutely, Lucas. Absolutely. Bubba's Crypto. What is going on? Bubba's Crypto back in here with the hashtag value. Thank you for being here, Bubba's. I appreciate you. Guys, creeping up to 300 likes. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. How do I join the Discord? Seems like there are fake Frankie Candles accounts. Which one is the correct one for you? So Discord link in the description below. You could join there. We're going to try to get rid of these fake Frankie Candles. They're all over the place. They're all over Twitter. They're all over Instagram. They're coming out of the woods, guys. They're coming out of the woods. Yeah, be careful. We're going to try to take care of them for you. But I will, just a disclaimer, I will never in the history of this channel ever ask you for money. I will never ask you for your login information. I will never trade for you. So if anyone's saying, I'll trade for you, give me money, I'll flip it and give it back to you, that is not me. I will never take your money. I will never take your seed phrase. I will never take your account logins. I will never need access to anything that is yours. The only thing I will ever need is a wallet address to send you something. I'll never ask to get something from you, ever. So just keep that in mind. 300 going on 3,000. Let's go, Crypto Billy. One day soon. How do we join the Discord? What's the correct? Oh, okay. We got Bubba's hitting it hard. Let's go, Bubba's. Let's go. All right, let's check out one or two more of these alts. XDC. Let's check out XDC. KuCoin. Bada boom. Okay. On the 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, yeah, see again here, guys. Big void. I mean, you have a little high volume there, but as soon as you I'm going to put a line right on this little peak in volume here, this little one. You can see once we lost that level, you come into this area with very low volume right here. See how there's not a lot of volume spike or not very long volume spikes. So you kind of have a void in volume here. And if you come down and draw that line, what happened? Price just shot right down, filling that gap, coming down to the next area. So look at that. Very, very powerful indicator right here. The VPVR. Go check out the video that we uploaded today, the VPVR video. I show you guys how to use it, how I have my settings, and how I use it to trade. Very, very, very powerful indicator. Okay, so XTC. Okay, so yeah, I mean, if you break out of this level that you're currently rejecting off of here, I think if you could flip this into support, right? Boom. I think you could have a pretty quick move up to this area right here at about, what is that? About 8 cents. So there you go. Keep a lookout for that breakout. Looking pretty good. 4 hour in the green, 6 hour in the green, 8 hour in the green, 10 hour in the green. Yeah, this all looks pretty decent. Yeah, 12 hour looking like, yeah, crossover. Not looking too bad for XDC. And let's check on Ape. Last but not least, let's go ahead and check on Ape. Ape. KuCoin. Bada boom. All right. Let's go ahead and go to the 8 hour. I know we don't have a lot of information on Ape as it is a new coin. But yeah, I mean, yeah, VWAP starting to flatten out here. Looking like it wants to come down. Money flow coming up, though. Green dot on the 8 hour. Yeah, you're in the green. You're in, yeah. So Ape actually looking like it wants to cool off a little bit here. 3 hour money flow coming down. 2 hour money flow coming up. Kind of mixed signals here, guys. Mixed signals here. 1 hour looking for a crossover. This one's hard to read. I will tell you that. Yeah, very, very, very hard to read. I would say, I mean, if you come up from here, point of control. Yeah, I would go ahead and let's get rid of this. Yeah, I would say you're really just going to play, or maybe you pump back up to this point of control, and if you dump down, you're going to dump down to these value area lows right here. So if you break down, maybe you come down and test 1438. If you break up, maybe you come up and test 1680. All right, guys. France government approved Binance. Hey, let's go. Ape had an Elon pump this morning. Yeah. Yep, that is true. What's a good entry point to jump back into Ape? Let's take a look. Let's go to the 4 hour and take a look. I would say, yeah, I mean, if we do, yeah, I would say 14 bucks, around 14 bucks. Not financial advice. I might pick some up at 14 bucks, assuming that we're not going to dump. If Bitcoin's, not going to dump, might be a good place to buy. But if Bitcoin dumps, if we get this little relief pump and then Bitcoin decides to just go down and really dump down to those summer lows, $14 is going to be a bad buy. So keep that in mind. You might just want to slowly dollar cost average a small portion of your money over time. So you just buy the dips over time. So I like Frankie. He's a good dude. Diamond Sauce, I appreciate that. I like to think I'm a good dude. We're just out here trying to help out the mafia. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to help you guys. I'm here for the people. I'm a people person. Got liquidated by the monkey today, so no more monkey. Christine, I feel you. I feel you. Sometimes the monkey be going bananas or going ape. Anyway, hey, Frankie, I'm late. Props from Portugal. Thank you for that, Ant. Shout out to Portugal. Thank you for being here, Ant. I appreciate you. What's up, bro? Just woke up. Carlo, welcome back. Been watching your live streams now for about a week, and much respect to what you've been doing. Blessings to you and everybody in the chat. Hey, E-Man, welcome. I appreciate you watching the videos. Smash that subscribe button. And, oh, there we go. 300 likes, guys. What a perfect time to... Frankie is the people's channel. Yes, I am here for the people, guys. That is one thing I can promise you. That's one thing you're not going to have to worry about with me. Not that not that I'm not trying to monetize this channel and make money, right? This is my job. It's basically a business, right? We have to make money too, and there's nothing wrong with that. But one thing you'll never have to worry about is I'm never going to just try to I'm here for you before me. So I'm never just going to shill you guys garbage so I can make a quick dollar, right? Like I'm here for you guys. I genuinely want to help you guys learn TA, learn how to trade. And obviously I do have referral links to things like Femex and stuff. But I'm open, right? Leverage trading is dangerous, but I always tell you risk management, use money that you're willing to lose. Never trade with money that you're not willing to lose, right? Because it's hard. It's a hard game. And with leverage, it's risky, right? I mean, lower leverage, not too bad. But that's why I always tell you guys use low leverage. I'm never going to tell you guys, I'm not over here going like, oh, guys, if you put your money in at 100x, you can make $1 million. I'm not going to shill anything. Like I'm here for the good of the people, not just me. So you'll never have to worry about that with me, guys. I'll never promote anything I don't believe in 100%. Like Market Cipher. Like I personally know CryptoFace. I know he's not a scammer, right? Like I know his indicator works. I actually use his indicator in all of my TA. It's not something that I just shill for $1. So just so you guys know, we're legit over here. Frankie Candles got your back. Anyway, thank you, Frankie, for the great content. It is much appreciated when you explain how you use Market Cipher B and the other indicators. Hey, Jamie, I'm here for you. Frankie, we know you're off when XRP moons. Well, guys, I'm a bazillionaire. I'm out of here. Good luck. No, I'm kidding. Guys, and when we do become bazillionaires, who do you think I'm going to be hanging out with? I'm going to be hanging out with the CandleMafia, flying all the different states because it's nothing for us to take private jets, right? Because the CandleMafia got rich. KuCoin 5x leverage with no KYC. Yeah, guys, that's huge. KYC on KuCoin, no KYC on KuCoin. You could use 5x leverage. Actually, not a bad place to start messing around with leverage because you can't use, if you don't KYC, you can't use more than 5x leverage. So it kind of like puts the training wheels on you. It won't let you unlock the full leverage, and you could kind of feel out how leverage trading works. It's pretty user friendly. So yeah, definitely a good thing. Market Cipher giveaway GT. Yeah, maybe soon, maybe one day. Yeah. CryptoFace is a genius. Fact. Yes, CryptoFace is the GOAT. CryptoFace is like the trading godfather. That's how I think of him. He's the man though. He's a cool dude. Yeah, I can't wait for 2024 either. All right, guys, let us go ahead and let's go ahead and pull up our wheel of pain and pleasure. Don't forget, guys, frankiecandles.com. Definitely go check it out. It's pretty cool. And let's pull up our wheel. Bada boom. Here you go, guys. frankiecandles.com. We'll let that load. And we will pull our wheel up here. But yeah, frankiecandles.com. Go check it out. Look at that. Greeted by me it looks like I'm like a little kid at school, just cheesing in this picture. I love it. I actually hate it. But here you go. Frankie Candles. Oh, wow. You can't even see that. Bada boom. Look at that. Boom. frankiecandles.com. On the Frankie Candles YouTube channel, I show you how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down, with daily live streams and multiple tutorial videos a week. I cover everything from understanding the charts and high win rate trading strategies to help beginners get started trading. That is what we're all about. And then right here, you got our special deals, BitLab Academy, Femex, if you want to sign up to make money when Bitcoin is going down as well as going up with a little bit of leverage to increase your money. You can put $100 in, add some leverage, multiply the amount of money you're trading with. A little riskier, but it could be a very strong tool if you use the right risk management. And then if you sign up using our deal, you will get a deposit bonus. They deposit, I'm not 100% sure how much they deposit, but you do get a little extra money in your account and you help out your boy Frankie Candles. So who doesn't like that? And then you got a little YouTube videos down here if you want to check out some of my stuff for new people. And then you get a little about me as a New York native. I'm not going to read the whole thing. But yeah, very, very cool, guys. So definitely go check it out. If you're looking for some deals and you don't want to click the links in the description or whatever, come to the deals page. Gonna add to this, guys. Gonna see if I can get some KuCoin deals as well as TradingView deals, and then working on a Market Cipher deal as well. So keep an eye out for that. But, oh, back to the screen, actually. Let's go ahead and spin our wheel. We got 317 likes. Thank you so much for everybody smashing that like button. I really appreciate you. That is the #1 thing you can do to support this channel and get it in front of more people so YouTube can push us out into the algorithm, which they have been doing lately, guys. I'm getting a big percentage of my views is coming from YouTube recommending me, and that is all due to you guys hitting the like button. So thank you so much. I appreciate you, and that's why I spun the wheel like 10 times yesterday for you guys. I kept giving you free spins because I wanted you guys to get a giveaway. So now we're giving away 3 NFTs. Spin #1. Let's get it. Bada boom. Bada boom. What do we got? 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 Boom. Giveaway. 4 NFTs, guys. We're giving away 4 NFTs now this week. I'm going broke, guys. I'm going broke. I'm going to be poor. I'm going to be poor giving away all these NFTs. But shout out to you guys. You deserve it. So there we go. Another NFT giveaway. We'll be giving away 4. We will announce the winners on Friday. And spin #2. Here we go. All right, so like now I'm kind of hoping it doesn't land on giveaway because I am going to go poor, guys. Oh, baby, that was close. That was close. Funny hat. All right, do we have funny hat? I think we might. So I have 2 funny hats, I think. We got 2 days of funny hats. I got them right here. I'll put them on tomorrow's stream. Spin #3 for 300 likes. You guys are the best. Let's go. Eat crickets. I'll do it. I'll do it, guys. I got to go get them, though. Give me 1 second. They're right here. Bada boom. Here we go. By the way, guys, I'm not just like finding crickets on the floor. These are actually flavored. These are cotton candy. These are cotton candy crickets, but they are real crickets. They're not like gummy crickets. These are actual crickets seasoned with cotton candy. And as much as I want to sit up here and milk it like they're disgusting, they're actually not bad. They taste like sunflower seeds. It's like they sell this in the store as like a snack. It's good protein, they say. But here they are. It is kind of gross to look at them before you eat them. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're here. But yeah, 2 of them. Yeah, it's pretty good. Low key. I have another one. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, I'm not gonna wash it down with coffee though. All right, guys. So there you go. You guys got a giveaway. That was 3 spins, I think, right? I think it was. So shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for 300 likes. Thank you for being here. I hope you guys got something out of the stream. Kind of give you an idea. Just a real quick recap. I do think with the way Market Cypher B is looking, I think we can continue this pump maybe for a couple of days even if we get those money flow crossovers on the longer time frames. So maybe it's not over yet. I'm waiting for a retrace to find some good long positions. I showed you guys those levels. So I hope that helps you guys out. I hope you enjoyed the stream, guys. I'm going to bring that epic intro in, if not tomorrow, hopefully coming up soon. Tomorrow's kind of a crazy day. I don't know if I'll get to it tomorrow, but going to be really exciting. And if you guys want to enter to win one of these 4 NFTs, go check out our VPVR video. I'm sure Tyler Durden, he just put it in there. Read my mind again. Go ahead and click that link, watch the video, like it, be a subscriber, and leave a comment for a chance to win an NFT. We will be picking our winners on Friday. With all that being said, guys, that's all I got. Don't forget, Debate Crypto. I know they weren't live yesterday, but I think they're live now. Go over to Debate Crypto, blow up their stream, break their like button, and crash their internet because there's so many people in there. Go tell them Frankie Candle sent you. Smash that like button. We love those guys over there. We do charts. They do all the news and fundamental stuff. They basically cover everything we don't cover. So you get your charts, your TA, your trading from here. Head on over to Debate Crypto and go get your fundamentals, your news, and all that good stuff. And again, with all that being said, guys, that's all I got for this one. I'll see you guys same place, same time tomorrow at 5:45 p.m. Thank y'all for watching. I love each and every single one with you. I love each and every single one of you. That's all I got. Frankie Candle's out. Bing bong.